Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Elrene Home Fashions Serena Single Curtain Rod, a perfect blend of style and functionality for any room in your home, from bedrooms to living rooms and even offices. This contemporary curtain rod features a 1-inch diameter and comes in an adjustable length of 28 to 48 inches, making it versatile for various window sizes. Available in 5 fashionable finishes, it effortlessly complements any aesthetic while maintaining high quality and style. Designed to fit rod pocket, grommet, and top, back tab curtains with a 1.5-inch opening or larger, this rod ensures a seamless fit for your drapery needs. Installation is a breeze with included brackets, screws, and anchors, and the rod is easy to maintain. Just wipe clean if it gets dirty. With a legacy of 4 generations, Elrene Home Fashions has been crafting high-quality home decor since 1922, focusing on creating decorator looks and exciting designs for your home. Upgrade your window treatments with the Serena Single Curtain Rod and experience the perfect combination of elegance and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.